All right, it is Thursday, September 31st. This is our last design meeting before code freeze for Backdrop 1.8. We have a couple of issues just to highlight. For starters, issue number 479 is an update on the views grid style. We talked about switching from using an HTML table to a bunch of divs that use the CSS grid property. I think there's someone working on that. We'll do a follow-up on that to see if that one's going to get done in time for 1.8. The next issue is number 1178, which is to add icons to the admin overview page. This is admin/config. That issue, I think, is ready for review. I don't know if that's the one you just looked at, Nate, but it's pretty close. Yeah. A little cleanup. The next issue is number 2804. That is a change to the task list. The task list is what you see on the installer and on the updater page when Backdrop is like stepping through a progress series. I guess there's a checklist on one side of the page and a list of the current status on the other side. And we're just trying to make that checklist be more in line with the rest of the administration theme. So there is some feedback on that issue, number 2804, if anyone wants to take a look at that. And then the last issue on our list is 2803, which is an update to the progress bar. And that one was overwhelmingly appreciated and has been reviewed and merged. So that one is in since last week, which is great. If you're curious about what we're working on for Backdrop 1.8, there is milestone in our GitHub issue queue for all issues that are slated for 1.8. And if you're specifically interested in design, there's also a tag in the issue queue in general, audience design, or any issue where we need a design review or we need feedback on a current design will be tagged with that. And sometimes we need actual designs created. So having designers with those skills is very appreciated in those issues. That's it for today's design agenda. Is there anything else you think we should talk about?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
Yeah, we've really just got those kind of items to knock off for 1.8. And all of them look like, I mean, those are all going to be completed probably with the exception of the views grid style, right? That's got most likely going to be bumped.
Yeah, there's no pull request on it now, but it depends on if there's something that is ready and just not been turned into a pull request. That might give us something to review. But until we get a pull request, that's on the chopping block. All right, well, let's keep this meeting short and sweet, and then we will reconvene at 1 p.m. for the dev meeting.
All right, well, thanks for the check-in.